In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the fuel tank strap on this Cadillac SRX. Let's get into it. Underneath the fuel tank, you want to support the tank so that it does not fall. I'm just using a pull jack right now. Normally you may have a fuel tank support you want to use. Right here you can see the bolt for the strap. I'm going to use a 15mm socket. Loosen that up. Take that bolt out, and the strap will come down. You just twist the strap a little bit, and it slides right down. We're going to take this end of the strap and slide it into the slot, and then twist it. Now run the strap all the way up to where the bolt hole is, and take the bolt, get it lined up. Tighten that down and torque this to 33 foot-pounds. And you can replace the other strap the same procedure. Now we can remove the support and just lower it down.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.